Imagine working endlessly on your website, crafting perfect content, and using all the right keywords, only to find yourself buried on Google's page 20, struggling to even get a glimpse of the first page. Sounds familiar? But what if I told you that, without a crucial element, you won't even come close to ranking in 2025? Today, we're going to change that. Stick with me till the end, because by the time you're done watching, you'll know exactly what will make or break your ranking in 2025. It's 2024, and every business, blog, or brand out there is competing for those precious spots on the first page of Google. But here's the catch. Google is smarter than ever. Algorithms are constantly evolving, and without adapting to these changes, you're basically setting yourself up for failure. Are you ready to hear the hard truth? Without mastering a critical strategy, ranking high in 2025 will be nearly impossible. But what's this strategy? I'll reveal it soon, and you won't want to miss it. Now, I know what you're thinking. Great, another tip I'll forget by next week. Don't worry, this one's going to stick with you. Here's the thing. Google's ranking system isn't just about keywords anymore. It's all about user experience. That's right. If your website doesn't provide the most seamless, engaging, and satisfying experience for your visitors, Google will penalize you. Let's break it down. The speed of your site, mobile friendliness, intuitive design. Google considers it all. You could have the most well-written content, but if your site is slow, hard to navigate, or looks outdated, Google will ignore it. And that, my friend, is a death sentence for your rankings. But that's not all. If you think content alone can still save you, think again. The #1 ranking factors in 2025: authority and trust. You need to build backlinks, cultivate relationships with industry leaders, and create content that actually answers your audience's questions in real time. Let me ask you, do you have those strategies in place? Now, you might be thinking, well, I've heard all of this before, but there's something I haven't mentioned yet. Something that will make all of this fall into place for you in 2025, and it's coming up next. So what's this critical element? What is it that will ensure you rank in 2025? It's search intent. Understanding and optimizing for the exact reason people are searching for your content is everything. Google's ultimate goal is to give its users the most relevant answers possible. So if you're not creating content that matches search intent, you're invisible. By analyzing user intent and tailoring your content to answer questions people are asking in a specific way, you align your content with what Google loves. Now, don't get too comfortable. This is not as simple as throwing in a few keywords and calling it a day. There's more to this than meets the eye. So stick with me. If you want to rank, you need to think like Google. What are your audience's pain points? What are they really looking for when they type that query? Create answers that satisfy that intent, and you'll start seeing your rankings climb. 2025 is coming fast, and without mastering search intent, you'll be left in the dust, buried among millions of irrelevant pages. So, are you ready to future-proof your website for 2025? If you've learned anything from today, it's that the future of SEO is all about staying ahead of the curve. And trust me, I've got more valuable insights and strategies to share with you. For more in-depth tutorials on how to master digital marketing and keep your website at the top of Google, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I've got tons of content coming your way, and you don't want to miss out on these game-changing strategies. Check out the end screen for more videos that will take your SEO to the next level.